King Cloud 3 includes King Living's TouchGlide Control technology. The system is operated by 4 buttons located on the side of each seat. These buttons are sensitive to touch and can be activated by different gestures. The front 2 buttons are for opening either the footrest or headrest respectively. The back 2 buttons are for closing the footrest or headrest. King Cloud 3's TouchGlide Control technology features gesture control. Simply swipe forwards across all the buttons, then the sofa will move into its pre-programmed memory position. If you use a double swipe gesture, then it will move to memory position 2. The 2 positions can be tailored for personal comfort. First, get the sofa into your desired position. Then press and hold buttons 1 and 3 to store as memory position 1, or press and hold 2 and 4 for memory position 2. The buttons will need to be held for up to 8 seconds. By swiping your hand along all the buttons backwards, the entire chair will go into a closed position. Comfort is just a swipe away.